Welcome to Market Snapshot from the Incred Equities Desk. In this podcast, our expert from the Equities Research team helps you navigate the stock markets with a quick roundup on the previous day's closing, along with relevant insights. Whether you are an experienced investor or starting out, this podcast will equip you to take informed decisions. The securities and stocks quoted here are for illustration only and are not recommendatory.
Good morning, everyone. Nifty had a very strong session on Friday, gaining more than 200 points towards the end of trading session. And throughout the day, Nifty was seen comfortably trading about 24,000, which led to short covering in the call writers. And that ensured that the overall momentum of Nifty remained strong. Bank Nifty, though not as strong as Nifty, managed to close comfortably above 52,000 level. And with this, there are two interesting things. One, Nifty has sustained its immediate support of 23,870. And second, Bank Nifty is approaching 52,600 spot. Coming back to Nifty, the correction and this rise in line with expectations, we are currently in a formation of wave B. Currently, if we break that down, not making it too complex, this wave B rise can take it towards 24,700 to 25,000. If it reverses before that, that is also a possibility. But for now, the structure of wave B suggests that we may head towards these levels. In absence of a major domestic cues, we may continue to rise. If you see US markets, they are stable. They are not adding significant momentum, but they are still being positive, and there's no correction, major correction as such. There are certain news flows that are coming around that Trump has said that if BRICS uses its own currency or it floats their own currency, they'll have 100% tariffs. So these small statements, it may sound quite significant right now, but till the time that is put into practice, it will be more of a threat. So whether that is actually happening or not, nobody knows, but we have not seen any spoking of the markets at this point in time. Interestingly, Bank Nifty has a very strong breakout above 52,600. A close above this can lead to a 1,000 point rise, as we discussed earlier as well. It went above that during the day, but it closed below it towards the end of trading session. Between Nifty and Bank Nifty, Nifty Bank looks good because the structure is more prominent over there. That does not mean that Nifty is looking weaker, but if I were to trade between the two, then the opportunities are much better in Nifty Bank. We have already discussed US markets. S&P 500 is approaching rising wedge resistance. There's some time to go before that happens, but it has a resistance at higher levels. However, whether it is Russell 2000 or Russell 3000, we have seen breakouts sort of coming in these broader market indices. So there are mixed signals coming from US. As far as sector indices are concerned, Nifty Pharma is looking very interesting. Nifty Media is seen a good consideration, so we may see good fit coming in Nifty Media and Nifty Pharma for this week. One can keep these two indices on radar and place your trades accordingly. FIS sold 4,400 crores worth in cash. Domestic bought around 5,700 crores worth in cash. So the selling by FIS even on a strong day is quite significant. And let us see if that's dampening the spirits or not. GIFT Nifty is pointing towards 15 points upside as we speak. So in all likelihood, we'll open on a flattish note. And it declines towards 24,000, 24,050 can be bought into, but higher price of 24,500. For Nifty Bank, 600 spot closing is what is needed. Ideally, it should be a daily close, but at least an hourly close is what one should be waiting for before entering the trade. That will be from my side. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.